Ready? Sure? Aww. They're so babies.
Oh
You
my
should have seen
gosh.
Paisley. She was such a character.
She was the cutest thing ever.
She helped me get dressed. I love how excited they are. Look at all three of them. They're just like, oh my god, what are we doing? Yeah. It's over now. Brewster knows. It's over. Good luck. Now he's seen us.
You guys can go to your rooms.
Alright, thank you. Here, hang on. We're going to say hi. Hi, baby. Hi. So funny. Oh my goodness.
We're excited. We're excited.
Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. Hey, Peters. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Apparently you had a first look with your dogs
Okay.
too.
Yeah, I was about to say, and one of those too. That's awesome. Okay. I'm gonna get. You know where they're gonna keep them? Okay. Yeah.